Look, everyone watching this knows what it feels like. Being stuck, grinding nonstop, and still feeling like the system itself is the problem. You bust your ass, hustle harder than most, but the rules around you, they keep shifting, keeping you boxed in. That sweet freedom everyone talks about? A lie. You're told to fight for your place, but the playground is rigged. The frustration builds, seeing talented people get passed over for all the wrong reasons, while comfort zones and old ties block real progress. It's maddening. You feel it, no matter how hard you push, how much you want to change the game, the weight of the outdated system drags you back. But here's the brutal truth. Whining about it changes nothing. Complaining about broken systems or waiting for permission is just surrender wrapped in fancy words. What needs to happen is that you stop playing by their rules. Markets, raw, brutal, real markets, hold a secret power no one wants to admit. They aren't broken, they're misunderstood. Markets don't just move money. They move people, ideas, futures. They have the capacity to tear down limits, rearrange the impossible, and yes, push humanity beyond every stupid boundary we've accepted as fixed. But only if you know how to use them, not the way the status quo teaches. First, forget the idea that freedom means chaos or no structure. True freedom comes with deliberate design. See markets as networks of real connections, not just dollars and cents. You must build the right connections. The few people who really get what it means to build from scratch, to question everything, to refuse legacy and comfort. This isn't about gathering crowds, it's about wiring the few who dare to create. That's where breakthrough starts. Next, become utterly obsessed with understanding the game you're in. Not the headlines, not media spin, not the comforting lies about fairness or stability. Tear open the system's guts. Know who controls what, why, and how value flows. Use that knowledge aggressively. Don't just follow trends. Write your own rulebook based on ruthless facts, not feelings or traditions. Then, stop chasing superficial meritocracy like it's a trophy. Real meritocracy means constant proving, every day, to the point where no one owes you anything. You earn power, trust, and capital only by delivering. Period. And you have to be ready to throw out old relationships, habits, or ideas that drag you down. That discomfort? Embrace it. Growth demands it. Also capitalize on diversity like your life depends on it, because it does. The future isn't one uniform team. It's a brutal mashup of different backgrounds, ideas, and fierce independence. Tolerate, understand, and work with this diversity. Your strength lies there. Markets thrive on this kind of mix. It's messy, but it's real. Anything less is a dead end. Finally, use markets as tools to fund the impossible. Forget just looking for the next safe investment or easy win. Pin your bets on ventures that live on the edge, that challenge reality, that push human limits. This is where real breakthroughs happen, where markets become engines of liberation, not just maintenance. You feel the weight of the old world crushing you? That's your signal. Markets can be the tool to fight back if you stop letting them be managed by yesterday's rules and start hacking them from the inside. Link up with the few who think big no one else gets yet. Build your own networks, your own reality, your own freedom. This isn't about comfort or playing nice. It's war for the future. Do this. Don't ask for permission. Don't wait for others to believe in you. Own your role in the marketplace of ideas and capital. Burn the stale blueprints. Build new ones. Markets can push humanity beyond every limit we know, but only if you become the driver. This is how progress is made. Ruthless, focused, connected. Not by blinking in the dark, but by moving fast, sharp, and free. If you're serious, actually serious, then this path is your only option. No excuses, no compromises. Start now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.